85% of consumers will read online reviews before they engage with a local or an online business. Those numbers are totally insane. That means that you must be in the game. That means that your business must generate lots and lots of reviews. The big question is, how are you going to do it? We all know that one avenue is to have fake reviews. Fake reviews will lead you nowhere. This is absolutely the wrong way to go about it. The second route is to have real reviews. But the question is, how can you do it? I am happy to tell you that I already been to this problem and I already solved it. I am working with hundreds of businesses and generating hundreds of reviews for each one of them. I have created this free course that will give you value and will help your business generate good reviews. In this course, I am going to use Zoho CRM to automate the reviews process. If you don't have a Zoho CRM license and you do want to get one, I will show you during the course how you can get a 30 days free trial to Zoho One, and Zoho One will include Zoho CRM, Zoho Survey, and all the tools that we will require. If you do have any other CRM, it's all good. You can use it. I will just show you the process and how to automate things, and you can apply those techniques on any other CRM in the market. This course is great for any business that provides quality service. If your business provides quality service, you're in the right place. You will have great success from this course. If you have bad service and your clients are unhappy, this course is not for you. I cannot help you. If you like what you heard so far and you think that you're up to the task, click on the enroll button and join the course. As I said before, the course is free of charge, and what I'm trying to do here is give you value and help your business get more reviews and more profits. Thank you very much. I will see you at lesson number 1.